A coronavirus patient's body was left on the pavement outside a hospital in Bhopal on Monday night after a tragic to and fro between hospitals. Security footage accessed by NDTV shows two ambulance workers in PPE suits taking the body out in a stretcher, leaving the patient on the pavement and driving off with the stretcher. Patient, a power distribution company employee, was admitted to the hospital 2 weeks ago with a kidney condition. In the last few days, he had developed breathing problem and was suspected to have pneumonia. He tested positive for COVID-19 on Monday evening. IT giant Infosys flew back some of its employees and their families who were stranded in the United States due to the coronavirus crisis and visa issues. They were flown back in chartered flight. 200 people, employees and their families were flown to Bengaluru, reaching early morning on Monday. They will be working from Bengaluru or other locations in India. Uttar Pradesh police are investigating a letter reportedly written by officer who led a failed raid on gangster Vikas Dubey on Friday and was killed along with 7 other cops. A top officer has asked for a thorough inquiry into the letter, which, if found and verified, could be a critical evidence of policemen helping the criminal. Vikas Dubey, allegedly tipped off about the raid by an insider in the police, is missing since the incident. The Shiv Sena on Tuesday said Prime Minister Narendra Modi had expressed confidence that the battle against COVID-19 would be won in 21 days, but it has been over 100 days and the crisis still persists. Taking a dig at PM Modi, an editorial in Sena Mouthpiece Samna said that the fight against COVID-19 is more difficult than the mythological war of Mahabharat, adding that battle against the pandemic will continue till 2021 as the disease vaccine won't be available before that. A senior IAS officer has been removed from Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's office hours after the opposition parties in the state targeted Vijayan, alleging that his office attempted to shield an employee in a gold smuggling case reported last week. The employee's contract stands suspended by the state government after alleged links to smuggling of 30 kg of gold seized by the Customs Department on July 4. In a decision that will adversely impact hundreds of thousands of Indian students in US, the Federal Immigration Authority has announced that the foreign students pursuing degree in America will have to leave the country or risk deportation if their universities switch to online-only classes in this fall semester.